Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link cells on different sheets. This is a fundamental skill that can dramatically improve your spreadsheet efficiency and data organization. We'll go over the simple steps to connect information across various tabs, ensuring your data stays consistent and up to date. By the end, you'll be able to create dynamic spreadsheets that save you a lot of time and effort, making your work much smoother and more accurate. Let's dive into the simplest way to link cells. You just need to start with an equals sign in your target cell. Then, navigate to the sheet containing the data you want to link and simply click on that cell. The formula will automatically populate with the correct sheet name and cell reference. It's a straightforward process that instantly connects your data, allowing for real-time updates across your workbook with just a few clicks. Beyond single cells, you can also link entire ranges, which is incredibly useful for consolidating data or creating summary tables. Remember to use descriptive names for your sheets and cells. This makes your formulas much easier to understand and manage, especially as your workbook grows. We'll also touch upon common linking pitfalls and how to quickly resolve them, ensuring your connections remain robust and error-free. Linking cells has countless practical applications, from building comprehensive financial models to generating dynamic reports and dashboards. It's a powerful feature that ensures consistency and reduces manual data entry errors. We've covered the essential techniques, and with a little practice, you'll master this skill. Keep experimenting with different scenarios to fully leverage the power of linked cells in your daily tasks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.